P4 to 7. Welcome back to week 2 of your online recorded lessons. This week we are going to be looking at some similar things to last week. We will still start off with our beat that questions to let you practice your speed and your recall of those important number facts. But then we will all be looking at subtraction, written strategies for subtraction. That's always really worth practicing. It's something that people find quite tricky, so we'll get a chance to look at that today, and then your assignment will be based on that as well. Now, just like last time, we will get chances throughout the lesson to stop and go and try an activity, and this afternoon we're going to do something a wee bit different, and when we come together for our 30 minutes, you're going to be logging into SumDog and we will play along live. You'll actually be playing with and against me as well, so we'll see who's really brought their brains and can beat the teacher. Okay, so just like last week, we are going to practice our learnets. Now every week they'll be in a different order, there'll be slightly different questions just to keep you on your toes, but there'll always be 15 questions, okay? You'll need your pencil and paper and get ready to write down your answers only. You do not have to write the whole question, just the answers. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. 9 add 9. 9 add 9. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. 7 add 7. 7 add 7. 3 add 7. 3 add 7. 6 add 6. 6 add 6. Add 2. 6 add 2. 8 plus 8. 8 add 8. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 5 add 5. 5 add 5. 9 plus 2. 9 add 2. And that is your final question. So we're going to go on to the answers. Don't worry if you didn't catch them all. You can either put it back or you can just try and beat your score every time like we do in class. So get ready to mark these as you go. Here come the answers. So 6 add 3 equals 9. 2 add 8 is 10. 9 add 9 is 18. 5 add 3 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 add 7 is 14. 3 plus 7 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 add 2 is 8. 8 add 8 is 16. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 add 5 is 10. And 9 plus 2 is 11. The next activity that I'd like you to try is top marks, and that will help you to further build on your speed and your recall for your Beat That test and to learn those learnets. So if you Google top marks and click on the first result, you should see the game hit the button on the home page. You're going to click on that, just like we do in class, we use this all the time, and you're going to go for the green button that says number bonds. Once you've opened that, you can decide whether you would rather look at addition within 10 or addition within 20. You might want to try the addition within 10 first, and if you find it's too easy, you can move on to addition within 20. I'm going to go for addition within 20, and when I open that, it says you will be shown a sum, hit the button that has the correct total. So I'm just looking to press the answer. Each game's a minute long, and you're going to play it for as long as our timer on the video tells you. Play. 8 plus 3, 8. 9, 10, 11. 9 plus 7. I know that 9 is close to 10. 10 add 7 would be 17. 1 less would be 16. 4 plus 9, I can use the same rule. It must be 13. And you can carry on and play as many games as you can during the time. Enjoy! next thing we're going to look at today is some simple subtraction using a column method. Now last week we were learning about addition, and we knew that we had to line up our tens and units really carefully to make sure we got accurate answers, and this will be no different. So we've got the numbers 56, subtract 12. And as you can see, the 6 and the 2, the units, are lined up directly below and underneath each other, and the 5 and the 1, the tens, are lined up correctly too. Now just like our addition, we have to start with the units. We start over here with 6, subtract 2. 6, take away 2. We're going to count back 2 places, we get 4. 6 take away 2 is 4. And moving on to the tens column, 5 take away 1. Well, really we know this is 50, take away 10. 5 minus 1 is also 4. So a 4 in the tens, a 4 in the units, our final answer is 44. We try one more example like this. Let's go for 77, subtract 24. 77 subtract 24. And then you would get your ruler out. Don't look at my wobbly lines. 7 subtract 4. 7 minus 4. 7 take away 4. All different ways of saying the same thing is 3. 7 take away 4 is 3. Moving on to the tens column, we know it's really 70 minus 20, but we can do 7 take away 2, which leaves us with 5. Final answer, 53. Just like last time, we are now going to break away and try the following 3 questions. So I'd like you to set them out in the same way that we just saw in the example, with one set of numbers on top of the other, and then you're going to complete your takeaways and we'll mark them together in the next little video. I'll give you 5 minutes to do this and then we'll get the answers. Time for some answers. Let's have a little look at the first one. 52 take away 21. Now, as we did before, we need to start over at the units. 2 units take away 1 unit. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 tens take away 2 tens. 5 take away 2 is 3, giving me an answer of 31. Then I'm going to pop over to the next question. 76 take away 42. As before, we start with the units. 6 units take away 2 units is 4 units. 7 tens take away 4 tens, 3 tens. Final answer of 34. And if we pop down to the last question, 99 subtract 63, starting at the units. 9 units take away 3 units, 6 units. 9 tens take away 6 tens is 3 tens, which gives me a final answer of 36. Okay, last but not least, you are going to head on over to IXL, just like last week, and there is an activity that will help to practice the skill that we've just been speaking about, subtracting 2-digit numbers from each other without regrouping. So you're looking for year 3, and the game this time is H4. Year 3, H4. And just like last week, I will be watching live, I'll be seeing the scores come in, and I'll be giving some shout outs to people that have managed to reach a score of 100. You did such a good job last time, I can't wait to see how you get on this week. I'll start a 10-minute timer, but please feel free to take as long as it needs to get your score to 100. Good luck. Well done everybody. I am going to be looking live at all your scores. I cannot wait to see how you got on with that activity today. The next thing you need to do is go over to the assignments tab and have a little look on the assignment for your group. It should say that your CLIC activity, your CLIC test is there. Remember, you're going to try and do that all by yourself. And another activity to do with subtraction. So you'll be doing a little bit more practice of written subtraction. Once you've finished those things, please take a picture and upload them to the assignment by pressing add work and then turn in or submit in the corner. Well done everybody. See you later.